Hey guys, this is Ishita and welcome to our part 2 of jacket making challenge. So I did challenge myself how to make jacket. As you guys know, as I have mentioned before, that I am not with the fashion designing background, or even I don't know how to basic stitch stuff. So guys, my jacket is complete. I will show you guys how it turns out in a minute, but I just want to tell you guys something, that this was such a difficult task to finish, because the material is so different, and it's kind of like, I don't know, the material is was so difficult to work with. It My thread broke so many times, like so many times, and it was like such a difficult thing to finish for me. Like, as for it, for me, like, I have zero experience in stitching, and for beginners it was such a challenge. And the jacket is like, it was not what I have expected, because I have like added extra material over here for lining. And for example, the sleeves are like extra long that even expected. I am not complaining about sleeves. I think it turns out to be like nice. I like this type of sleeves, like this, or you can just wear it like that. For it's kind of okay. And so I will just show you guys how it feels. The jacket that I found out, it is kind of flowy from the back, but like, it's kind of a nice and different. It turns out to be different. Obviously, I did not expect how the jacket will turn out. I was like going with the flow, like uh, whatever problem I was facing, I was solving at that point, and I did not expect, because I don't have any techniques that I can use in this. But the material was so difficult to work with. I think I will never use this material again, and it is better to use this kind of material for pillows. But it was a nice challenge that I went for, and I just complete that, and I'm so proud of it that I just finished it. Like this, like this turns out to be okay. I mean I can wear this like in casual settings. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Enjoy seeing me struggling with stitching and all that. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. I will not say amazing, because this video is not amazing clearly, but videos to come. So please subscribe, and if you like to comment, please comment and do subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching this video.